Okay, so in order to make a folder in your Google Drive, you'll come over here to this little icon with little boxes, and then you can click on Drive, and it'll take you to your Google Drive. So then you can come over here to New, and this gives you the options to make a folder, upload things, or just make an individual document, sheet, or slide. You'll select on Folder, and then you can label it. So we'll label it for this class to make it easy. So we'll do IP&T 371. Click Create, and it's going to show up right here. So then if you double click on that, you can come in here. If you click on New, you can add another folder within it, or you can add one of these. So we'll add a document, and then you can title it. So this can be your notes. And then you can just start typing. Like January. Yeah, I can't type right now. January 17th. These could be your notes. And then, if you want to add more things, just go back to that tab, click on New again, and you can see it's right here. Your notes are in there. You can add a slide this time, maybe, just whatever you want. And then this could be like your presentation. It's going really slowly. There we go. And then you can just work from there.